Hello, my name is Frank Perschke, CEO of P3. I'm pleased to bring you an update on P3's results for the full year 2023, as we have continued our strong operational and financial performance throughout the year. First, let me share a few words about P3. P3 is a leading long-term logistics real estate investor and developer with more than 8.4 million square meters of gross lettable area spread across Europe, with a €9 billion gross asset value as of 31st of December 2023. P3 has a highly diversified quality portfolio, geographically split across 10 countries, with Western Europe comprising 60% of the portfolio and the CEE region comprising the rest. Our assets are modern, with an average age of around 10 years, and 65% of our properties are located in urban areas. More than 450 customers, many of whom hold investment-grade ratings, call a P3 park home. Thanks partly to P3's strong operating platform, we are able to achieve a high retention rate of approximately 75% and stable rent collection even in weaker cycles. Our team of more than 260 experts spans 10 countries, responsible for development, acquisition, asset management, construction and finance. Our integrated platform enables us to manage and grow an attractive development pipeline, source and close profitable investment opportunities, and successfully manage and deliver projects on the ground. In addition, our strong and well-capitalized shareholder GIC continues to support the growth ambitions of P3. Now let me share some financial highlights from 2023. We achieved strong operating results. P3's net operating income increased by 19% to €423 million, driven by a strong 6% like-for-like growth, as well as acquisitions and completed developments. Our EBITDA margin improved further to 83% as a result of portfolio growth and our focus on efficiency. We captured rent growth opportunities. Structural tailwinds for logistics properties remain intact, with strong supply and demand dynamics despite some economic uncertainties. We continued to maintain a very high occupancy rate of 97% and saw exceptionally high increases in rent levels. Average rent uplift on leasing events was 23%, in addition to record levels of indexation, with 96% of leases linked to inflation. We invested in further portfolio growth and entered the UK. During 2023, the portfolio increased by more than 950,000 square meters, GLA, through acquisitions and completed developments. In August, P3 entered the UK market and now has 5 logistics assets totaling 160,000 square meters under management there, with an ambition to grow this footprint further. The portfolio value increased to €9 billion, driven by acquisitions and developments, offsetting disposals and revaluation impact. We saw a comparatively low negative 3.2% like-for-like revaluation of the operating portfolio because of market-wide yield expansion, partly offset by 5.4% ERV growth. We made progress against our ESG roadmap. We issued our first ESG report in March 2023, alongside our Task Force on Climate Financial Disclosures report. As of year-end, 75% of the portfolio holds at least a BREEAM Very Good or equivalent certificate. We increased our solar energy target to 100 megawatt peak by 2027. As of the end of 2023, we had 64.1 megawatt peak capacity across the portfolio. LED penetration stood at 81% full year 2023, on track to achieve our target of more than 90% by 2030. We commenced the project to implement a company-wide ESG data system to further assist us in our ESG target setting, reporting, and regulatory compliance. We achieved solid credit metrics and proven ability to raise capital in a challenging market. P3's Standard & Poor's BBB credit rating with stable outlook was reconfirmed in November 2023. 4.5 billion euro of financing was signed since our new standalone financing strategy launched in December 2021, with around 2 billion euro signed in 2023 alone. P3's debt maturities extended to 4.3 years and fixed rate ratio increased to approximately 80%. Our loan-to-value remains stable at 46.3%. We retain ample liquidity with 700 million euro of our revolving credit facility unutilized at the end of the year. In terms of subsequent activities, we are also very pleased with the successful issuance of an unsecured 600 million euro green bond in February 2024. Demand was very strong and the order book, consisting of more than 150 investors, was more than 5 times oversubscribed. We priced the bond at a credit spread of 207 basis points and a fixed coupon of 4.625%. In summary, P3 continued its strong operational and financial performance throughout 2023. The real estate logistics sector continues to demonstrate resilience, and P3 is well positioned with the right people, capital, land bank and tenant demand to continue our profitable growth. Thank you very much for your time today. We'll meet again in September for P3's half-year results.